91, heat index 101, south at 20, gusting to 28. And Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hamilton County in central Texas, Rio County in central Texas, Lampasas County in central Texas, Mills County in central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Evan, or 12 miles south of Hamilton, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Winds of 60 miles per hour.
Hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near event around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Still around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pancake, Shives, Moline, Pizarro, Bonner, Adamsville, Lightweight, La Vida, Center City, and South Pramila. The tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The current time is 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA. Thunderstorms. A chance of showers. Has issued a flash flood warning for Rio County in central Texas, Lampasas County in central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Copperas Cove, Gatesville, McGregor, Fort Cavazos, Kepner, Evan, Fort Gates, Elton Lake, Modena State Park, Lomita, Augustine, South Mountain, Woodson, Osage, Arnett, Harmon, King, Big Oak, Pearl, and Topsy. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Now let's take on your local forecast for the Waco metropolitan area. Flood watch. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Rio County in central Texas, central Lampasas County in central Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles south of Evan, or 16 miles north of Lampasas, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicating rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm following locations: Adamsville, Chelsea, Big Coat, Izarro, and Rumley. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep your outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yes. I didn't think we were. I'm trying to watch the news right now.
McLennan County in Central Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Valley Mills, or 12 miles northwest of McGregor, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Valley Mills and Crawford around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Waco and Lake Waco around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Lakeview around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Belknap and North Crest around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rock
You can
Creek,
go through there. Tony opened up the gate.
Willow Road, Elmont, Shores, Williams, Ross, Leroy, and China Springs. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 328 and 354. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Northwest around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rio County in Central Texas, southeastern Lampass as County in Central Texas, Bell County in Central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Fort Gates, or 11 miles north of Fort Cavazos, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: to inhale in 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobilize.
I can't get out because it's still lightning and shit, but we lost that tree.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Saline, Fort Cavazos,
I guess
around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Snowville around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Temple, Belton, and Milligan's Point
They don't know.
around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Little River Academy around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Cedar Valley, Woodson, Moffett, Izarro, Adamsville, Owl Creek, Prairie Hill, Meadow Grove, Woodland, and Oroville. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 277 and 308. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
The
Do
wind.
not drive your vehicles Central Texas, southeastern Coronado County and Central Texas, northern Bill County and Central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Killeen, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Belton Lake around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Morgan's Point Resort around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Temple around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Kelly around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Oroville, Pendleton, Woodson, Montauk, The Grove, Brattleboro, Owl Creek, Meadow Grove, Woodland, and Whitehall. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 299 and 312. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, stay inside a sturdy structure and keep away from windows.
Central Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waco, Hewitt, Robinson, Gillette, Woodward, Lacey Lakeview, McGregor, Mark, Beverly Hills, Loretta, Bruce County, Moody, Valley Mills, Riesel, Crawford, Galinda, Carlsberg, Lake Waco, North Crest, and Lake Creek Lake. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.